Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. In this video, I will explain about most important Java interview program asked in Amazon. So this is the approach to. In previous videos, I am developed approach one video by using the while loops. In this is the approach one video. This video link I will provide in description of this video. So in approach to I will use streams plus while loop I will use. So let's understand the Java interview program question. So given an array having positive and negative numbers. So this is the array. It contains the positive and negative numbers. Our task is to arrange them in a alternative fashion such that every positive number is followed by a negative number. See, so negative number after that positive number. Like that we need to arrange them in an alternative fashion such that every positive number is followed by a negative number. So vice versa, maintaining the order of appearances. So let's get started. This is the most important interview question asked in Amazon. So let's try to solve this. This is the sample input -5, -2, 5, 2, 4, 7, 180, -8. Output -5, 5, -2, 2, -8, 4, 7, 180. So let's get started coding. So this is the sample class test. So let's add main method. So int array. So let's add the elements. So here elements -5, -2, 5, 2, -5 comma -2 comma 5 comma 2. Next 4, 7, 1, 8, 4, 7, 1, 8, 0, 0, -8, -8. So input is -5, -2, 5, 2, 4, 7, 180, -8. This is the sample input. So let's develop a one private method. So this is the integer array. So int array contains contains positive and negative numbers, right? So rearrange alternatively. Our task is to rearrange alternatively. Rearrange arrange alternatively. So we need to pass array as a input. We are expecting result as same array. So int so result array. So let's implement this method. This is a private static method return type int array. So see here in this image. So this is the approach to by using the streams, right? So let's add. So we have the array, right? This is the input array. This array we need to convert to list, right? We need to we need to use stream. For that, first we need to convert to list. Let's try to convert arrays dot here arrays dot stream. What it will return? So this is the integer array. It will return the int stream. So this is the int stream. So we are converted to stream. After that, boxed return a stream consisting of the elements of the stream, each boxed as a integer. That means this is the int stream, right? Up to here, it will return the int stream. This into primitive type converted into proper type. This boxing will do primitive type converted to proper type. After that, we can collect. So collectors characters dot to list. So semicolon here we are converted to list, right? To list. These are the integer elements, so it will return integer. These are the, so let's add suppose positive. Positive logic we are not yet added. So let's add the filter here. Dot filter. Filter it will return the boolean condition, right? Suppose these are the numbers. Num. So what is the logic to print a positive numbers? So greater than or equal to 0, right? This is the control shift O for import. This is the logic to print the positive numbers. So I'm arranging this code. So positive numbers, right? Copy this one. Next, same negative numbers. Negative. Here, change less than. So now less than. So like below 0, everything is the negative number, right? Now we have the positive numbers. These are the positive positive numbers. See, this is, we have the array. We are converting up to this. We are converting to int string. So int string, these elements are there in primitive type. So by using boxing, we are converted to primitive to wrapper type. This is the positive numbers logic. It will filter the positive numbers. So same, this will filter the negative numbers and primitive type converted into wrapper type, finally collecting the result. So this is the done, right? Positive numbers here, negative numbers. So we got both positive and negative numbers. To store final result, I will create a one list. To store final result. To store final result, I will create a list. To store final result, suppose list integer result equal to new array list. So control shift O for imports. I want to store the final result in this result list. Right? First we are done positive and negative numbers separated, right? We are created one list variable to store the final result. So we have the positive numbers and negative numbers. We need to arrange alternatively. For that, so alternative placement. We need to arrange alternatively. So let's take while loop. So let's take while loop. We need three variables like int I equal to 0, comma, positive index equal to 0, comma, negative index equal to 0, semicolon. So now here positive index less than this positive. We have the list that these are the positive numbers. Dot size, and so this is the 0, 0 less than positive size. This is the true. So means this is the positive number size more than index. Index is initially 0. Positive size is above than 0, like 1 to something like that. So same add negative index less than negative dot size. So Now if if I, so I initially we are taken 0, right? I percentile 2 double equal to 0. If it is to this logic for the positive numbers, to print a positive numbers, right? Positive numbers. These are the logic to print a positive numbers. If if number is positive, we need to place in alternative. That means we need to store in negative place, right? So we are taking one result array dot add. So negative negatives dot get negative index plus plus. We need to store here like this. Else, so I'm copying this same. So if it is positive number, store in negative. Negative. If it is positive number, if it is positive number, I am saying store the negative number. If it is negative number, store the positive number. Alternative arrangement, right? Alternatively, we are storing here. Alternatively, we are storing. After that, we need to increment the I plus plus, I plus plus. We are incrementing. So next, add remaining elements if any remaining elements are there after this completed alternative replacement. We are saying to add remaining elements. So copy this while loop. So up to this, if any other are there, add to result same. If any, these are the positive numbers, right? If any negative number is there, add. So replace this one on negative numbers, right? This one. If any other negative numbers are there, add in the result. So finally, we need to convert result to array because result here to store the result we are taking list. So we are given the return type as the int. So we need to convert this list to int. For that, so we have the result dot. This is the list, right? We have this stream. After that, map to int, map to int, integer, double colon, int value dot to array. Up to this, it will convert list to int. After that, we are combining these int values to array. So control S. Once I will repeat this code. So first we have the one input array contains this array contains positive and negative numbers. So first we want to, so what we have done, we are separated positive number separated, negative number separated. After that we have created one variable like list variable to store the final result. Here we are arranging the alternative placement. Like if it is positive number, we are checking this is positive number or not. If it is positive number, then store the negative number. In that positive number place, we are storing the negative number. If negative number, we are saying store the positive number. So if any remaining elements are there, so I am saying so I add to result at last. So finally, this is the list. This list we are converted into array. So to print the result, so SYSO system.out.println arrays dot to string. So we need to pass this result. That's it. Control S. I will explain this program one more time. given an array having positive and negative numbers. See, this is the one array. It contains the positive and negative numbers. Our task is to arrange them in alternative fashion such that so every positive number is followed by a negative number. So we need to arrange alternatively. Alternatively means so first negative number, after that positive number, after that negative number, after that positive number, like that. If remaining elements are there, anything is remaining. So we are saying add at last. So first we are filtering the positive numbers, negative numbers. After that filtering the, so we are storing alternative version. After that, if any remaining elements are, if any elements are there, so we are storing at last. This is the program. This is most important program. Ask in Amazon. Run a Java program. See output. See expected. Let's check expected and actual matching or not. So minus 5, 5, minus 2, 2, minus 8, 4, 7, 1, 8, 0. At last 0, right? So expected and actual result are matching. This way to we can achieve this program. This is most important interview program. So this is the sample input array. First we are divided positive and negative numbers. After that we are replaced positive numbers in positive numbers place we are added negative numbers, in negative numbers place we are added positive numbers. After that we are checking like is there any other elements are pending to add in array. So we are added. Finally this list we are converted to array. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe to this YouTube channel.